with me, I fell asleep and now I am afraid. The sun came up so quick and I have always been suspicious of the day. Dreaming out that you were in, turned back then it finished, and I am glad to be awake. Glad to be with you, 'cause I feel safe when we're together. Read to me again about the king who took his daughter to the feast. Tell me how she lifted up her veils and she laid them at his feet. Execution in her eyes, she pointed to her prize, said I wanted to be mine. And everyone knew a man was gonna lose his head tonight. I heard a sound across the lawn, was like a hoot being taken from a horse. I understand what you describe, that there are things you don't decide, they are decided for us. Still I will try that we are safe when we're together. And will come and tell me are there restaurants on Jericho today?
And will come and tell me are there restaurants on Jericho today?
Look out of the window on St. Giles to the palace's rim. I am woken from the sleep, now I'm sure the world is different, it's changed. Oh, so when will come and tell me are there restaurants on Jericho today? I heard a sound across the walls, was like a wave sweeping houses from the shore. I understand what you explain, that there are things that you believe. You think you will see me again, but it remains that if I could, I'd still recall right from my stomach into yours. I'd stand beside you the day you face the tide. I think that I can make it turn around. No, I could make it go dry, 'cause you and I, we are safe when we're together. And we are safe when we're together. 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 We are safe.